quick unboxing video for the SAI Salient Arms International gas blowback system by G&P. So straight out of the box it comes with one mag and the Salient Arms certificate. So from the front to the back there's a detachable flash hider in the front. It comes with two flip-up sights. I've already changed the back sight to Emboss Magpul, and the charging handle, you can see I've changed it to GRY Arms charging handle. Okay, we can take a closer look at the back. So it comes with a G&P buttstock and pistol grip. Okay, main body has engraved Salient Arms, and then there's the quick detach underlever for the rail system, and there's a close-up here for the compensator. There is a spring-loaded switch at the bottom which screws straight off. Here's a close-up of the certificate, and then a standard G&P mag. Taking a look from the other side, and there we have the Salient gold bolt, the Salient logo, and then the fire switch, emboss sight with GRY Arms charging handle. Okay, a quick pull and the twist, the front piece comes off, and then it reveals another flash hider. Okay, this is the front flip up sight that comes with it. I think it's plastic. Okay, so first thoughts of this gun. The main body is very good quality. The rail for some reason though has a slightly different black, not sure if it shows up. The disappointing part would be the pistol grip and the stock. I was expecting a Magpul pistol grip and the MOE SL stock. Maybe that's too much to ask for, but for the price I think it should have included that. The flip up sights are very rubbish quality. Would have been good to have also emboss sights. This one I put on myself. Charging handle is basic as well. Apart from that, I think overall it shoots well. It's a WA system, GBB. Get some more close-ups of the fire selector, engravements, Salient logo. There's another one on top here also. Okay, the push pin, very nice. And then of course the gold bolt. Okay, there are some scuffs on it. Another one here, but this is going to be due for the grey Cerakote soon, so I'm not that concerned. So hopefully that shows a little bit of information on this gun. Hope you enjoyed this video, and it's made in Hong Kong.